with Rooster Sauce. Spicy, sweet, a little heat, a little tang, and that bam, just like an Emeril treat. And today Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to make this unbelievable dish. So like, share.
All right, let's get started with the Rooster Sauce first. We're going to need 1 cup of sambal, which is basically a Chinese chili paste. Then about a 1/4 cup of sriracha. A little bit of rice wine vinegar. We got some lime juice going in there. A couple hits of garlic paste and ginger paste. And some brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons. The entire recipe will be in the comments section below the video, so you can just go there and print it out. Anyways, we're going to give this a real good mix, and we'll give it a quick taste, and if it's what we like, we're going to leave it alone. Otherwise, you can make adjustments. So this is perfect. Now, I've got 10 to 12 per pound jumbo shrimp, and they're already deveined. So all I'm going to do is take the shells off, but I'm going to leave the tail on because that just looks better, and this gives you a little handle to grab onto when you eat these little suckers. So we'll make sure they're deveined clean. We'll peel off the shell, and like I said, just leave that little tail on the end, leave that on there, and you're ready to go. So we'll get the rest of these shrimp cleaned up. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. And if you can hype. And we've got a new show every Wednesday and Sunday. So make sure you come back. Appreciate you very much. Okay, our shrimp are done. So we're going to put those into a bowl. Now, before we put the marinade over the shrimp, we want to save some of this for dipping sauce. So we'll just pour a little bit into our dipping bowl, just like that. And we'll set that to the side. And we've got our shrimp in this large bowl. We're just going to put the rest right over the shrimp. Put on a couple of rubber gloves. And we're going to get in there and mix these guys up real good. Make sure everybody is coated nicely. Then we'll pop this in the refrigerator. You want to keep these in the fridge at least 2 hours. Make sure that the shrimp pick up all that wonderful flavor. Perfect. Put that lid on tight and we'll go. Next, we're going to need to make some sticky rice. So if you have a rice cooker, just get some sticky rice, throw that in there, and that'll cook thoroughly, and just keep it on warm until we need the rice. The shrimp are ready. We're going to put on a medium-low heat, a large non-stick skillet, and we're just going to pour our shrimp right in there, sauce and all. And these will cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side. They're still a little chilled from the refrigerator, so they'll take a little longer than normal. But we got plenty of time. Our rice is done, so this is the last step. And after a few minutes, we'll give them a turn. You can see they turn nice and white, which is meaning that they're done on one side. So let's get them flipped over and cook the other side. And once these are done, we'll turn the fire off, and we'll put the shrimp into a bowl, and then it'll be time to plate. And what I'm going to do is just put the sticky rice on one side of the plate, put my dipping sauce in the middle, put the shrimp on the other side of the plate, and then we'll take what sauce is left in the pan and pour that right over everything, and we'll serve it just like that. And you have just made Emeril's amazing Rooster Sauce with sticky rice and shrimp, one of his favorite dishes. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you come back often. Like I said, new shows every Sunday, every Wednesday. And enjoy this dish, and we'll see you soon.
Oh, yeah. We're talking shrimp with Rooster Sauce. Spicy, sweet, a little heat, a little tang, and that bam, just like an Emeril treat. And today Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to make this unbelievable dish. So like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. New shows every Sunday and Wednesday. And trust me, you're gonna want this one on repeat. Now let's get cooking. All right, we're starting with the star of the show. that rooster sauce. First in, sambal, that deep, rich chili paste brings the heat. Next, a good squeeze of sriracha. Now a drizzle of sesame oil, just enough to bring that nutty aroma. Follow that with rice wine vinegar. We want that little pop of acid to balance everything out. Now let's wake it up. Ginger paste goes in, garlic paste right behind it, and you can already smell where this is going. Finish it off with fresh lime juice. Now give it a mix. Get everything blended together until it's smooth, glossy, and absolutely screaming flavor. Now shrimp time. We're going with extra large shrimp, nice and meaty. Divine shells off, but leave that tail on. Makes it easier to grab, and it just looks right on the plate. Get those shrimp into a bowl, and now pour that beautiful rooster sauce right over the top. Coat every single one, but wait, don't use it all. Save some of that sauce on the side. That's your dip in gold later. Now cover it up into the fridge. Let it sit a few hours. Let's get your sticky rice going, nice and fluffy, because that rice is gonna soak up every drop of that sauce later on. All right.